Welcome to our English listening channel. Hello everyone. Today you will follow a simple conversation between two adults ordering food in a restaurant in London. What is your favorite food to order in a restaurant? Do not worry. The characters will speak slowly and clearly, so please relax and enjoy the story.
Here we are. This is the restaurant.
It looks very nice. Are you hungry?
Yes, I am very hungry. I did not eat lunch today.
Me too. I only had a small breakfast this morning.
Good. Let us go inside.
Do you like this place? Have you been here before?
No, this is my first time, but I heard the food is very good.
That sounds great. I am really hungry now.
Me too. Shall we go in?
Yes, let us go.
Hello. Good evening.
Do we have a table? Did you book one?
No, I did not book. I hope they have space.
Let us ask. Excuse me, do you have a table for 2 people?
Yes, just 2 of us.
He is checking. I think it is okay.
Oh, good. That is lucky.
Yes, he will show us to our table now.
Perfect. Thank you very much.
This is a nice table. We can see the whole restaurant.
Yes, I like it. It is very cozy here.
The lights are nice and warm.
And look at the pictures on the walls. They are old pictures of London.
Oh yes, that is interesting. This place has a good atmosphere.
I agree. I'm happy we came here.
Me too. Now we need to look at the menu.
Yes, I cannot wait to see what they have. Thank you. Here are the menus.
Oh good. Let me see what they have.
There are many choices. This is difficult.
Yes, everything looks good. Do you know what you want?
Not yet. I need more time to decide.
Me too. Let us read the menu carefully.
They have soup, salads, and many main dishes.
And they have fish and chips. That is very British.
Yes, I want to try something traditional today.
That sounds like a good idea.
What do you want to eat, George?
I am thinking about the fish and chips. What about you?
I want to try the roast chicken with vegetables.
That sounds delicious. Do you want a starter?
Maybe. What starters do they have?
They have soup, salad, and bread with butter.
I think I will have the soup. What about you?
I will have the salad. That sounds fresh.
Good choice. And what do you want to drink?
Just water for me. Maybe some tea later.
Excuse me, we are ready to order.
Yes, thank you for waiting.
Can we order some drinks first, please?
I would like a glass of water, please.
And I would like some orange juice, please.
Is the orange juice fresh?
He says yes, it is fresh. That is good.
Perfect. We will also order food now.
Yes, we are ready.
For starters, I would like the green salad, please.
And I would like the tomato soup, please.
Does the soup come with bread?
Yes, he says it comes with fresh bread.
That is very good.
Yes, I love soup with bread. It is my favourite.
And the salad is good because it is light.
True. Then we will have space for the main course.
Exactly. I am very hungry for the main dish.
Now for the main course. I would like the roast chicken, please.
And I will have the fish and chips, please.
Does the chicken come with vegetables?
He says yes. It comes with carrots, peas and potatoes.
Perfect. That is exactly what I want.
And my fish and chips will come with peas too.
Fish and chips is a classic British dish.
Yes, I always wanted to try it in London.
I hope you enjoy it. It should be very good here.
Thank you. I think our order is complete now. Now we wait for the food. It should not be long.
No, I hope not. I am very hungry now.
Me too. The menu made me even more hungry.
I know. Everything sounded so delicious.
Do you come to restaurants often?
Not very often. Maybe once a month. What about you?
About the same. I usually cook at home.
That is good, but sometimes eating out is nice.
Yes, it is a nice change. And we do not have to wash dishes.
That is true. That is the best part. Oh, here comes our food. It looks wonderful.
Yes, it looks delicious. Look at my fish and chips.
They are very big, and my chicken looks perfect.
The vegetables look fresh and colourful.
Yes, this was a good choice.
Thank you very much. This looks great.
Shall we start eating now?
Yes, let us eat. Enjoy your meal, Charlotte.
Thank you, George. Enjoy your meal too.
This fish is really good. It is very fresh.
I am glad. My chicken is excellent too.
How are the vegetables?
They are cooked perfectly, not too soft, not too hard.
The chips are crispy on the outside and soft inside.
That sounds perfect. This restaurant is really good.
Yes, I am very happy with the food.
Me too. We should come back here again.
Definitely. I will remember this place.
Same here. The quality is very high. That was delicious. I am very full now.
Me too. But maybe we can look at the dessert menu.
Okay, let us see what they have.
They have apple pie, chocolate cake and ice cream.
The apple pie sounds good, but I am quite full.
Maybe we can share one dessert.
That is a good idea. Let us share the apple pie.
Perfect. And then we can ask for the bill.
Yes. Excuse me. Can we have one apple pie and the bill, please?
Thank you very much.
I hope this video helped you improve your English listening skills. What is your favorite food to order in a restaurant? Please share your answer in the comments. Practicing simple conversations like this can help you speak English with more confidence. If you enjoyed the story, please subscribe to our channel and like the video. Thank you for learning with us today. See you next time. Goodbye.